This video will guide you through the steps to efficiently complete the check-in process for multiple room types using the group check-in method. Click on the Check-in button on the navigation bar. Click inside the Contact Now field in the form to enter a contact number. Click inside the First Name field in the form to enter the guest's first name. Click inside the City field in the form to enter the city name. Select the type of room and its corresponding room number. Click the plus toggle button on the form to add more rooms. Again, select the room type you desire and provide the room number in addition. For adding more rooms, simply click the plus toggle button on the form. Choose the type of room you prefer and include the room number as well. Scroll down to verify and update any necessary details, making sure all entered information is correct. Click on the Create Check-in button to initiate a group check-in. A confirmation pop-up appears to notify you that your group check-in has been successfully completed.